Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to fix a Ford Expedition window. First, ensure you have all your tools ready, including a trim removal tool, various sockets, and screwdrivers. Safety is paramount, so disconnect the negative terminal of your vehicle's battery. Next, gently remove the door panel, taking care not to damage any clips. Finally, peel back the plastic moisture barrier to reveal the window's inner workings. Now, let's get that old regulator out. Begin by securing the window glass in the fully up position using strong tape to prevent it from falling. Carefully unbolt the window glass from the regulator assembly. Then, disconnect the electrical connector from the window motor. Finally, remove all the mounting bolts that hold the old regulator and motor in place, typically around 4 to 6 bolts. With the old unit out, it's time for the new one. Carefully position the new window regulator and motor assembly into the door cavity. Secure it firmly with all its mounting bolts, ensuring they are tightened to specification. Reconnect the electrical connector to the new window motor. Finally, reattach the window glass to the new regulator assembly, making sure it's properly aligned. Almost done, reconnect your vehicle's negative battery terminal. Now, test the window's operation by cycling it up and down several times to ensure smooth movement and proper function. Once satisfied, carefully reapply the plastic moisture barrier. Finally, reinstall the door panel, making sure all clips and screws are properly secured for a tight and professional finish. You've successfully fixed your window.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.